If you're cross-shopping mid-size trucks, the Tacoma and the Colorado are probably both on your list. Here's an honest look at where they actually differ, not just the marketing. The Tacoma's standard gas engine is a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder making 278 horsepower. Toyota's iForce Max Hybrid raises that to 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, the only factory hybrid in this segment. The Colorado's standard engine is a 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. The Colorado has a higher published rating here. It tows up to 7,700 pounds on most trims. The Tacoma tows up to 6,500 pounds on the gas SR5. In real-world mid-size truck use, many buyers never approach either truck's limits, which is exactly why reliability and ownership cost matter more over time. Consumer Reports has consistently rated the Tacoma above average for predicted reliability. Based on RepairPal data, Tacoma owners average approximately $478 a year in repair costs, compared to approximately $599 for Colorado owners. Based on Kelley Blue Book's Best Resale Value Award data, the Tacoma retains over 60% of its original price at 5 years, the best resale value in the mid-size truck segment. The Colorado retains a meaningfully lower percentage over the same period. Both trucks bring real off-road hardware. The Tacoma's TRD Pro and Trailhunter trims are well regarded off-road, with strong aftermarket support here in DFW. The Colorado ZR2 also brings serious off-road capability to the table. If you plan to own 7 years or more, resale value matters, or you want a factory hybrid option, the Tacoma makes a strong case. If highway comfort and maximum payload at a given budget are your priority, the Colorado is worth a serious look. If you're weighing the Tacoma against the Colorado, our team at Freeman Toyota can walk you through both trucks side by side. Visit Freeman Toyota at 204 NE Loop 820 in Hurst, Texas, or learn more at freemantoyota.com.